Hi, it's Glenn here from Wrexham Volkswagen. Thank you very much for viewing my video of the Tiguan 2-litre TDI 190 SEL we have in stock. Just give you a little short video of the vehicle now for you. So with it being the SEL, does come with the front and rear parking sensors. 19-inch alloy wheels finished in pure white, and also does have the panoramic sunroof as well. Inside the car does have the electric heated power folding door mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights with the rain sensitive windscreen wipers, and it does have the latest style active info display dashboard, and you see the mileage shown on there currently of 37,881. Does have the multifunction leather steering wheel with the paddles just behind the steering wheel there, adaptive cruise control. Also, your Bluetooth can be controlled via the steering wheel. Satellite navigation. Heated seats, driver and passenger with climate control. And with this car, it is a DSG gearbox. And also does have the four-wheel drive. Park assist as well. Full tilt and slide, full panoramic sunroof with the electric blind. Alcantara interior, which is all in good condition. Does have the massage function for the seat there as well. Plenty of room in the back with the rear heater there. Rear tables as well, which are handy. If someone wants to use an iPad or something in the back here. Does have the rear camera as well. Spare wheel in the back there with all your tools, lock and wheel nut, all present.
Hiya. Excuse me. Hiya.
Just inside. Obviously all in good condition. Lovely. Thank you very much for viewing my video, and as I say, if you do have any questions or any queries, please give me a call on 01978 340 600. Many thanks. Bye bye.